let's pack a order. So I actually put a sticker. Of course, they also put it help. So hard to pack it. They also have another order, so let's pack it. This. Let's get a box. Oh, and one thing, they also had ordered bracelets. So, okay. I'm just gonna get the bracelet. Okay, this is the bracelet. Wait. They also ordered a wallet. They also ordered this and this. They also bought a Tama squishy box. Order. Maybe next time. Great.